So,
Hey guys.
hello guys, good morning. I like your t-shirt, honey.
Oh, thank you.
Bench. One of the t-shirts that he bought when we were in Davao.
Yeah.
Very nice. Oh, today guys is going to be a scorching hot day. Very you can feel the heat.
Yeah, you can already.
We are going to Tagum, guys, so we can do change oil to our car, and we're gonna have to have them look at a thing in our car that is like rattling in our car.
Yeah, it's maybe a shock or something.
Yeah, from me going to my parents' dirt road, because you know, big rocks and very bumpy. So
put the car up on a rack to change the oil. We're gonna rotate the tires.
Yeah,
and
we're
check
gonna check that problem.
noise. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my gosh! See, look at this.
Right.
It's pooping. That's why I put this plastic, because they poop in the. See, there's even still a thing.
That's fine.
Oh my gosh! So that's our plan, guys. That's what we're gonna do in Tagum. So, are you ready, honey?
Ready to go.
Let's go, guys.
Let's go, guys.
And we already feed the Ming. He's very picky. He didn't eat the regular food, so we had to give him the treat. Alright, we are here now, guys, at Angel's Pizza. And the reason why we went straight here, because see, it's almost 11 o'clock right now, and we don't know how long it's gonna take to fix the car, and we're hungry. We didn't eat breakfast, so we need to come here first, so we will have energy, we will have patience, and we will have what else?
A good time.
Yeah, good time. Because if we go to the car shop first, we didn't eat, we're gonna be in a bad mood, we're not gonna have patience. So
this is a win-win, going here first.
yeah. Because it said a taste of heaven, so we needed that.
We certainly do.
So let's go.
Let's go, guys.
Well, the music is that. Okay guys, we're just currently waiting for our order right now, and we are trying to have patience waiting for it.
Trying very hard. Patience.
Here's my drink. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Very nice. Cheers. I wanted to make a noise. This is a cucumber juice drink. See, it's the same color as that Mountain. That's Mountain Dew, but see, look, there's not much difference.
Pretty much the same color.
Wow. Cheers, honey.
Cheers.
That's a city mall in there. And there's a Grand Mall there.
Yeah.
Grand Mall tag. That's the overpass. There, overpass. See it?
This time they had tacos
Yeah.
and everything we ordered. So, yeah, good so far.
So far, so good, except this loud music.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what the deal is, man. They're gonna play soft music here. It's all loud.
So guys, here's the chicken, and then here's the carbonara here. We actually asked him to turn the music down.
Yeah,
So now
it hurts my eardrums.
it's hurting your eardrums.
Well, they didn't have to turn it off. I asked them to turn it down and they turned it off.
They didn't turn it off. It's still on, but it's
Maybe, yeah, I don't know.
so now it's very low, which is good.
Yeah, which is good.
This is mine, guys. Rice with chicken.
Yeah.
And then we also ordered a small pepperoni pizza, small one.
Did you get tacos?
Oh yeah, tacos. No, it's not. I didn't
You
get
didn't
any
get any?
tacos. I didn't get tacos. You only.
Yeah.
Dennis got some tacos too. I forgot about that.
Yeah.
Actually, here's your tacos. It's coming.
all right.
Right there. He ordered 3. There you go.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Thank you.
Check it out, guys. The taco. Wow. Let's eat, guys.
Let's see, guys.
Here comes the pizza, guys. And I'm done with my chicken and rice. I didn't finish the rice. I only ate a little more than half. So Dennis is still working on his tacos. You are on the second taco.
Yeah.
Pepperoni, guys. So we're done at a taste of heaven. So did you have a taste of heaven, honey?
I did. So good.
Yeah, it was good. The pizza's good. The
Yeah.
chicken was good.
Tacos are great.
Yeah, you finished your tacos, huh?
I did.
We didn't finish the pizza, but I ate all the pepperoni.
Yeah.
Because that's what I like, the pepperoni, you know. So anyway, we can't wait any longer. We need to go get this.
Car looked at.
Yeah, car looked at, change oil, and everything. Let's go.
Let's change oil, guys.
So we're in here, guys. They're gonna start working on it, but not all the way because they have to take a lunch break. See? It's only gonna drain the oil right now. It's gonna drain it, and then after that they're gonna take a lunch break, and maybe we should go to the mall because that's gonna be an hour from now. I know you're not happy about that, honey, but you know, we have to wait. They're gonna check what's wrong in it. He thinks maybe there's something loose underneath. Yeah, because whenever I drive somewhere, when there's a bump, it makes that noise, like rattling noise. So,
Alay lang tawag nyo na balance. Line lang.
yeah. It's just gonna drain the oil right now and then take a lunch break, and I don't know what we're gonna do. Either we're gonna go to the mall or something.
Tanggal na wala kung dire.
Oh, wala.
Wala na.
Wala man daw nun. Ay, na may part, anak.
Wala na sa kabuan mo.
Ano tasa ka itong part, anak, no?
Ako last enjoy na ko dire na ako man eh.
Na ba di ay?
Ako na na last enjoy na.
Wala ko kahinundong na anak.
Wala na to na. Parang sing wala na siguro po to na.
Ah, wala na di. Amo, pasig natanggal to. Kaya nakaligis mong kukong iro. There he got the bucket.
Last time video. Okay na ko
Itong na ni, itong. Kuha na ni mga 10,000 kilometers na.
Wala siya naglapas na.
Wala, lapas ra mo ng 300 something.
Pero yung
Pero minti man dyan mo ni change oil jud basta say 8,000, ya karon ra ni nga 10,000.
nagawa siya dugay.
Oh, karon ra.
Kuman
Pinamaximum.
gani kay 8 to 9,000 ilis na gani. Depende po naman kung mauna ang months.
Ah,
Kung sa 10,000 yung mga mileage nga bidagan, kung nauna gani ang 6 months nga wala pa 10,000 nga mileage, mag-change
unsa ka
yung
nang
data.
unsa ka na paminaw ng mga nagkagulkulo mo ba na basin ko ng tailpipe.
Sila kay check na lang kung yun yung
Ilhan ra na. Do you have patience now or not? Yeah.
Yeah.
You need to have patience, and you just ate tacos. I know you don't like waiting. Do you wanna go home now?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do with the car? We have to really have it fixed, you know? Okay guys, so there's our car hanging in there. we decided we wanna go to the mall, maybe kill our time, maybe get a dessert like maybe banana split,
Yeah, something like that.
something like that. See, the G mall is right down there.
Yeah.
So we are just gonna walk to the mall. That's the overpass there, guys. We need to walk there while the sun is gone. I don't know, I hope it's not gonna rain today.
Yeah.
Maybe we can climb. Oh, maybe we should go in here, honey. Are you fine?
Yeah.
We need something to pull us off. Kill some time too. No, you can't go in there, honey. That's not the entrance. That's for the worker. Just killing our time, guys. Yeah, that one is nice. I don't know. It looks kind of small though.
Yeah.
For only 200 pesos. We're just looking around, guys, window shopping, because at least it's cooler in here until they get done from their lunch break.
Yeah.
A good way to kill our time.
I don't know if they have double X. That's probably not.
This is just some large and, you know, no double X in there. Okay, guys, so we just got done at the gym mall. And what did you get, honey?
I got 3 t-shirts.
Few t-shirts
Yeah.
for only 500 pesos.
Size 1000 extra large.
So we're going back to the place now because it's almost 1 o'clock. So at least we killed our time.
Yeah.
Plus you got something very cheap. 3 t-shirts, guys, for $10. Very cool. Now there's a lot of cars in here. See, good thing we left our car here.
Yeah, what are they going to work on?
I don't know. It's almost 1 o'clock right now. So
What?
it's almost 1 o'clock right now. So this is our car, guys. Very dirty. Let's wait, guys.
Let's hurry up and wait, guys.
He's working on it. You guys, he just cleaned the brake pads. He said it's still good. I had him check, and no need to replace it. Just need to be cleaned. Working on it. Hopefully it will be done soon. Because Dennis doesn't like waiting, guys. Okay pa man kaha basig bagtin ang bilis ah. Sunod pa. Alis daw naman po ni di pa dugay, di man jud minong nga lagyo kayo biyahe bitaw.
Oo nga, mga 1 2 kami nakuha nga.
Ayo deh.
Last time po,
Ha?
last time, video ko na.
Oh, gani. Katong dire ko nagpa-change oil. Lahi dai ni ang kuan dire no. Mo ni brake show. Then after this, he's gonna determine if what is that thing rattling in the bottom. Aray sila haluag po siguro. So, mo na ning oil, no? This is the new oil, guys. Maabog-abog jud din ning mga nani no, pero pwede nga na siya ma-blow.
Muna yung mga na.
Very clear. Muna na katinawa din ang oil mo inagawas iperti maituma.
Panca ma'am, naman siya nagkakos na siya ignition sulod ma'am.
Ah, mao din.
Dula sa piston na kusog pa naging pakot niya.
Mao din na maitom.
Oh.
Imagine how clear it is. Then when they change the oil, it's all dark.
Sabon ng carbon.
Ah, carbon.
Carbon ito, siya kay.
Unsa ka to isa ka oil na toy. Di ba naman tayo alisdan po no? Isa ka oil.
Transmission ma'am.
Ha?
Transmission na.
Ah, transmission. Kana alisdan po na no.
Every 80 to 100,000. Ano na yung oil pan. Okay. Parang madrain nyo itong yung mismo nga oil nyo na tanan. Kaya kung i-drain lang siya, hindi mo siya madrain nyo tanan. Kaya katong nasa oil pan, ringan mo ito. Naman mo ito yung strainer sulod lang.
Ah, oh. You see that the transmission oil, you don't have to replace it until like maybe 60 to 100,000 kilometers. Okay,
Home
we
safe and sound.
yeah, we are home and it's very the trip was there's not much incidents,
No, not much.
not
today.
much, actually none this time on the way home. It's just a little minor, but not very like intense like most of the time, you
Yeah, I
know.
just got pissed off a couple times. That's all.
Yeah, guys, our car is changed oil now, and that rattling, we don't notice it. He tightened all
Tightened
the
everything
thing.
up.
Yeah, and then there was a piece of rock like under that pipe. So maybe I don't know. Maybe it has something to do with it. That when there's a bump, it will.
Maybe.
Yeah, it will make a noise that will rattle like that. So far it's good now. I didn't hear the rattle anymore.
It was a
So
good trip. I got 3 tacos and 3 new T-shirts, so
wow.
worked out great.
Good for you, honey. I'm so glad. Well, it's already later in the day. The clock is not working still. So pretty soon there will be somebody else.
Yeah, somebody
When
will.
are you gonna change your
Yeah, we gotta get a battery.
Yeah, very soon, guys. You
We
know?
got some exercise, walking around in the mall.
Oh yeah, exercise, going to the mall. We didn't even ride a tricycle from that
Yeah.
place to the mall because
just
it's
walked
not.
there.
It's very close. Did you see the meme?
Yeah.
He's jumping.
Yeah, he's getting anxious. He wants some fish.
Yeah, I'll give him the fish. That no more raw fish because I had to cook it. So I'm gonna give him a
Just
cooked
raw.
fish. Yeah.
Yeah, good.
What's your
Little time to R&R.
R&R? Great plan. Okay, honey.
All right.
Do your R&R.
All right.
Oh, look at that guy.
What? Oh,
The
the guy in
coconut.
that coconut tree.
Yeah, he's cutting that
Looking
coconut.
way up there, man.
Wow, he's way up there. Yeah, he's there on top. Let me see.
Yeah.
Hold on. Muna.
Way up there.
Look at him. I don't know who that. He's way up there. I don't know if I can enlarge the video. You're gonna lock the gate now?
Yeah.
Way up there. I guess they decided that they wanna cut the tree.
They're gonna cut the tree down?
Yeah. Can you see him?
I see him.
Oh my
Way
god.
up there.
Very scary.
Man. Well, he's cutting all the leaves off of it and he's gonna cut the tree down?
Yeah. I don't know, I guess. Now he's coming down.
Let's watch him climb down. Wow.
Dennis' friend, our neighbor tricycle driver.
Yeah.
Hey, look at him, he's coming down now.
Yeah. Boy, oh boy.
Oh my god. Very scary. Oh,
Yeah, I bet, man.
there's no. How does he do that? I mean,
I don't know.
look at him up
Huh? What do you say?
in a good.
It's getting pretty dark out here.
I know it's almost 6 o'clock right now, guys. So it's getting dark.
Well, he sure
Okay.
cut the heck out of all the leaves.
Yeah, all the leaves he cut. I think they have an intention. Oh, I think they're gonna put a fence in here. See that thing? Yeah, they're gonna put a fence. See, they put up some sort of a foundation there.
Oh,
Yeah,
boy.
yeah,
Oh, you're
Huh?
coming down. Sure, you're coming down.
yeah. made it. Wow, thank God. And he's gonna, that's what his job, honey, is to climb coconuts.
Wow.
Yeah, imagine.
Wow.
That's your,
That's called job security, man.
they should make more than normal, you know.
Yeah, I should.
It's very dangerous job.
Tough job.
Wow.
Kids down there playing.
Yeah, many kids down there.
All right.
Well, guys, we were just gonna come out here and see what's going on around before we go to bed. We check around, see if everything's all right in our surroundings.
In our area.
I just feed our very picky Ming with the fish that I cooked. He's so picky, he didn't eat his regular food. So now he's all fed.
Now he's happy.
Dennis is good, and
Yeah.
I'm still good. I'm still full from
to go.
earlier.
Yeah.
Yeah. And actually, I'm just gonna sweep probably a few leaves in the yard, can I?
Yeah, you got a few minutes till it gets dark.
No,
But
20 minutes, I think.
But when it gets dark, in you go.
Yeah, I will come in when it's dark. Anyway, guys, that will be it for the video. I'm so glad our car is fixed, and well, there was not a big deal on it. It's just some
loose bolts and
loose screws, or maybe that small rock that is going against the pipe.
Yeah.
So whenever there's a bump, then it hit the pipe. So that's
Yeah.
why it's rattling. And it's change oil now. That's what you have to do when you have cars. Just maintain and change oil. You never when it needs to.
Yeah.
And it's good to go.
Oil filter.
Yeah. So that is
Good
it.
to go.
Yeah, it's good to go. That is it. That and now I can't say it. That is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see what we're gonna do tomorrow.
Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.
See you guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.